use smartphones in our lives to make calls, to play games, and use a number of apps. But do we make the smartphone? Not really. There are companies that produce these phones for us. So all these different types of companies make phones in factories. So some people use a product and some people make the product. Now, the people who use a product are called consumers, and the people who make the product are called producers. So you see, we are the consumers, and the companies that make the mobile phone, they are the producers. Now similarly, we watch a variety of movies, isn't it? Now, these movies are made by people from the film industry. Now, people from the film industry produce these movies for us. So, they make the movies which we watch. So, people who watch the movies in theaters, they are the consumers. And those who make these movies, they are the producers, isn't it? Now, we are the consumers of food because we eat the food, but we do not produce the food, do we? So, who is the producer of food? Do farmers produce food for us? Not really. Farmers grow food for us. So you see, they do not produce, but they actually grow food for us. How does that happen? Well, farmers grow plants that produce food. Food is produced by plants. So farmers grow the plants, but it is the plants that produce food for us. Now, who produces food for us? Is it plants? Is it farmers? Or is it companies? What do you think? Well, it is definitely plants. Plants are the organisms that produce food for us. Now, not only humans, but also many other animals are dependent on plants for food. So you see, all these different types of animals are dependent on plants for food. Now, some animals do not eat plants. So, are they not dependent upon plants? So, for example, animals such as lion, hyena, or wolf, they do not eat plants. So, are they not dependent on plants? Well, they eat all these animals. So, they are definitely not directly dependent on plants. But what about these animals? They are dependent on plants. So, if these animals want food, they will need to eat these animals which are dependent on plants. So, even they are indirectly dependent on plants, because if there are no plants, these animals will not exist. And if these do not exist, then even these will not exist. So, even these animals are dependent on plants. So you see, plants prepare their own food. So in the chain, it is only the plants which prepare their own food. All the other ones are dependent on the previous ones. So plants are the producers because they make food. Now, you must be thinking, why are plants the producers and not any other organism? Because plants are rooted at one place and cannot move to search for food. As a result, plants prepare their own food. So, when we talk about the food chain, then these animals are also consumers because they do not prepare their own food. They are dependent on these animals. And these animals are also consumers because they are also dependent on plants for food. And plants are the producers because they prepare their own food. That is, they are the ones who make food. So, in this chain, plants are the producers while all the other animals are consumers. So, animals, birds, and humans do not prepare their own food, and hence they are consumers. So, there are two categories of living beings, producers and consumers. So, the plants which prepare their own food are producers, while different animals which are directly or indirectly dependent on plants for their food are all consumers. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.